Guys, you're not ready for this. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. And if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that bell next to it so you can get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, so what are we doing here today? Guys, we have the new XL Ninja Foodi Grill, right? So what are we gonna do with it? We're going to max it out, all right? I have these two huge Tomahawk steaks. They are biggins, okay? The way I'm gonna make these go is yin yang style, so it fits on that grill. I've done a test run with these to make sure that they actually fit on that grill plate, and it's a tight fit, but they're gonna fit. So we're going to put some tomahawks on here. All right, so these are American Wagyu ribeye steaks, tomahawk style cut. So we're going to use our smart probe. We're gonna cook them to medium rare. At some point we're gonna flip them, all right, just because there's just so much surface area. We're gonna get an even cook, okay? I do not expect you guys to run out and buy two big old tomahawk steaks and try to shove them in there too. But a lot of people have access to these. You see these at Costco, you know, especially around Father's Day and all that stuff. You can find these, you can find them online. There's a bunch of online retailers that sell these kind of steaks. So this morning I pulled these out and did a little salt brine on them. It's you know, it's called a dry brine, but you know, a dry brine is kind of, you know, an oxymoron, but what you do is just brine it in kosher salt. So I sprinkled it out, set it in the fridge, sprinkled salt all over it, set it in the fridge, just let it, you know, kind of get that salt flavor in there. And then what we're going to do now is spray it down with a little canola oil, because with the salt it does kind of dry out the steak on the surface. So you want a little bit of you know, binder to stick that in the seasoning too, okay? Put some Texas beef from Kosmo Q and a little SPG from Cosmo's Q. I'll put the links down below. Not affiliate, I bought these. I just like to, you know, show you guys that there's a bunch of different great barbecue rubs, seasonings, shakes, all that stuff out there, as opposed to just what you can find at the store, you know, the Lowry's or whatever. So check it out, links down below, okay? So what we're gonna do is get this thing preheated, and then we're gonna cook it at max grill high, which should be 510 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna put that smart probe in there, and we're gonna do the next thing, okay? Come on over to the Ninja Foodi Grill Station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Let's get started. Okay, we're ready to get this grill preheating. We're gonna do grill. We're gonna go max. All right, hit start. Let's get it preheating. Gonna plug in our thermometer. We got our temperature probe. We're gonna put it into the thick part of the steak over here. All right, we're gonna do preset. It's on beef. We wanna go to medium rare. Let's do 4 on there just because these are thick. Okay, so we're gonna be cooking to that temperature. Let's start. All right. Now we're just waiting for this to preheat. All right, y'all, here is the fun part. We are preheated. Now we gotta fit them in there. Oh, this is gonna be fun. All right, so let's get the first one in there. Plenty of room. Second one in there. Get this thermometer cord above it. All right. Oh man, that seasoning smells so damn good right now. Oh yeah. All right, let's get it shut down. We're good to go. Okay, before these get much further along, I forgot to measure them out. So we're looking at about 2 inches thick. There you go. And about 7 inches around. 6 inches one way or the other. And then the bones are about 8 inches. All right. Yeah, about 8 inches. Okay. All right, let's do this. This is freaking awesome. Okay, we're temping about 93 degrees internal. It just said for it to do the flip. So we are going to carefully do the flip. This might get challenging. All right. Piece of cake. It's looking good right there. Just wanted to show you guys, it says get food. It's at medium rare on their preset. We're gonna pull this out and let it rest. Okay, so let's take a look before, there we go. Now it's gonna rest for a little bit. It keeps a timer for resting, but that looks pretty damn good to me. I gotta touch it. Oh yeah, that's smoking hot. Well, those look damn good. All right, we're gonna let them rest for a couple minutes and then pull them out and slice them up. All right, guys, we've let this bad boys rest. Got a little butter on there while we let them rest. You know how we do. Let's get it in there and we'll cut it up. All right, team, let's get this, let's chop this bone off. All right, we're just gonna cut it right out the middle and see how we did. All right, so it's nice and juicy. Took it to about a medium. You know, we were hoping for a medium rare, but that's all right. It's Wagyu, so it can stand a medium temperature, but it's not bad right there. Let's cut a little end piece off right here. Give it a go. Whoa, too close. All right. Oh man. Oh man, that's such good flavor. Oh my gosh, that is so freaking good. Oh, the flavor's there. Got a little bit more done. I let it sit a little bit too long for it to rest. I got a phone call. You know, sometimes it happens. Probably that's where it overcooked, you know, to the medium. You know, I like it a little more medium rare. This got about medium, you know, but it is what it is. It's Wagyu beef, so you know there's plenty of flavor through there. And even if it's a little bit higher in temp that you want, it's okay. All right. Moral of the story is you can fit 2 damn Tomahawks in this XL Foodi Grill. All right, this is freaky. This is cool. I don't know, I'm excited about this one. I don't know why, but you know, I love a Tomahawk. Oh, you know, you do too, but this is freaking good. All right, I'll put a couple websites below that handle Wagyu steaks, or the Tomahawks. Okay, you know, no affiliates, no one pays me for that, but I know it's hard to find these Tomahawks sometimes, and some people want to try Wagyu. Obviously, it's a bit more expensive than like Prime and Choice that you're used to getting at the store. But hey, might as well, you know, give it a go. All right, so that's it for this week, boys and girls. I want to point out below that there are links for everything you see in my videos for the Ninja Foodi Grill, XL Grill, for the cutting boards, the knives, all that good stuff. It's all down below. Couple coupon codes for the knives and for the cutting boards. It's personalized cutting boards, are pretty freaking awesome. I would get one if I were you. One more thing, if you want to become a show producer, click this link right here. Take you to my Patreon account, get your name at the end of the videos, be immortalized in Tomahawk heaven, all right? That's it. I hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.